stop and listen. I rock it wicked, no competition on this shit. You gotta get it, there's nothing hotter than it. A whack rappers with hops and isn't. I kick it to you if you got a minute. You'll bop your head like a walking pigeon. Play my position, I'm kinda different when rhymes is kicking. I got lots of this, I vibe to it as I rock a fitted. The amount of people that's feeling me is a high percentage. They know I'm tight, but I'll be conceited if I admit it. I'ma climb the game until I'm up at the top of it. It don't be chicken that call me out if you got a problem with it. Unsilent shit, just go get it stuck in some violent shit. And feelings gon' be hurt, so you better off if you mind your business. Don't get it started with that nigga Marcus.